E-Rupee is digital rupee. Quite simply put, it's India's own digital currency. Just like you have your currency notes which you can hold in your hands physically, this one you can hold the E-Rupee in a digital form, in a virtual form, in a wallet online. The E-Rupee is essentially India's CBDC or Central Bank Digital Currency. The Reserve Bank of India, India's central bank, launched the E-Rupee officially on the 1st of December 2022. And since then, the E-Rupee is being tried out in a pilot by a few traders and a few individuals in the country. And as of now, there are about 16.5 crore rupees worth of E-Rupees available, which is less than 0.0001% of all the currency notes of rupees that's available in the country.
You don't print, and creating a digital currency is no cost. Absolutely no cost. It is like you and I creating a painting on a computer. Right, so it's no cost. It goes into your routine IT computer links that you maintain or Wi-Fi you maintain, so it will go like that. It saves a lot of hassles to RBI. It saves the fake currency issue also, because if there is no print, there is no fake currency. It's all digital.
Around 130 countries across the world, which account for 98% of the world's GDP, are all developing their own CBDC or central bank digital currency. 19 of the G20 countries are in advanced stages of launching their CBDC. Including India, 11 countries across the world have already launched their own digital currency pilots. And all of them have happened at the same time as we've seen the rise of cryptocurrency.